Imagine a vibrant factory where machines communicate seamlessly, data flows freely, and insights are derived in real time. This is not science fiction. It's reality for manufacturers using the power of cloud computing. Although using the cloud is not new, the pace at which manufacturers are choosing it is impressive. This rapid change is due to the realization that traditional on-premises solutions simply cannot keep up with the demands of modern manufacturing. First things first, you need to understand how the cloud is revolutionizing the industry. About 95% of cloud potential lies in business functions like manufacturing. Cloud platforms enable advanced data analytics to optimize production, improve quality, and even create new cloud-based products. The era of rich infrastructure is over. The cloud offers scalability and flexibility, allowing manufacturers to adapt to changing market conditions and seize new opportunities. Industrial manufacturers often struggle with data silos and limited visibility. Cloud solutions provide a centralized platform for data analysis and informed decision-making. Cloud technologies are almost everywhere, but how do they specifically impact the key areas in the manufacturing industry? Let's find out. Supply chain management. Here, the cloud helps you gain real-time insights, optimize inventory levels, and collaborate seamlessly with suppliers. Manufacturing execution systems. Here, it streamlines production processes, improves quality control, and increases efficiency. Inventory management. You can reduce carrying costs, optimize inventory levels, and prevent stockouts. In sales and marketing, it will help personalize customer experiences, gain valuable insights, and optimize marketing campaigns. With customer service, all the support will be faster and more efficient. Human resource automation will have more automated tasks, streamlined processes, and enhanced employee satisfaction. Finally, product development. It can help accelerate innovation, reduce prototyping costs, and bring products to market faster. In the manufacturing industry, where every second of downtime means a loss, modern technologies like cloud computing are key to survival and growth. By using it, manufacturers gain a new level of agility, efficiency, and innovation, shaping the future of the industry. Now, let's take a closer look at some successful stories of leading manufacturers that decided to use the cloud to their advantage. First up is Lockheed Martin. A global defense giant successfully uses AWS to transform its operations. They have increased overall efficiency thanks to the integration of machine learning and IoT in their smart factories and the introduction of robotics on production lines. The company uses AWS Cloud not only to enhance computing power and data analysis, but also to improve collaboration processes, which is crucial for maintaining security and compliance. Next is Ralco Industries. An automotive components manufacturer faced the challenge of increasing efficiency among the rising competition. They reduced inventory levels by 15% and material losses by over 60% by migrating to a unified cloud ERP system. Additionally, the company achieved savings on premium transportation costs by over 20% and reduced processing costs per order by nearly $100. A third successful company is Wolverine Advanced Materials, a brake system technology manufacturer which also turned to the cloud. With a cloud ERP system that enabled more accurate cost and profitability assessments for individual parts, the company increased first-pass product quality by 15 to 20% and cut overtime costs by 60%. Next, we've got Baxter International, a leader in medical technology that uses predictive maintenance enabled by AWS technologies, preventing unplanned production downtimes that could disrupt the supply of life-saving products. The company avoided 500 hours of unplanned downtime in just one facility, while at the same time increasing operational efficiency and quality through the automation of inspection tasks. Last but not least, Weir Minerals, a provider of engineering solutions for the mining industry. They switched to a central cloud-based manufacturing execution system hosted on AWS. This change allowed for a 30% reduction in lead times, a 10% increase in on-time deliveries, and 30% increase in throughput at production bottlenecks. Through these examples, we can highlight 4 common benefits of using cloud computing in manufacturing. These are machine learning and analytics, cost reduction, operational improvement, enhanced security. Also, keep in mind that cloud solutions are not for everyone. Sometimes companies choose a hybrid cloud architecture because it combines private and public cloud resources, offering flexibility and data security. If you like listening to successful stories, we've got something extra for you. Just click the first link in the video description and find out how Prestige Foods, a North Carolina TMS company, managed to improve their logistics with their own customized TMS solution. Do you still doubt that cloud services won't impact your business processes? Just consider the benefits of using the cloud. The most important thing that cloud platforms offer is security. For example, AWS offers data center and network architecture designed to meet the requirements of highly sensitive organizations. This commitment ensures that manufacturers can meet regulatory standards like the Cybersecurity Maturity Model Certification, CMMC. Cloud technology also drastically reduced IT and operational technology costs. The pay-as-you-go model for AWS microservices and serverless services reduces expenses associated with running connected factory operations. Moreover, you can use AWS to extract insights from machine data, optimizing productivity, quality, and sustainability. This facilitates faster development of new smart products and improves operational efficiency. So, why is the industry moving to the cloud? It happens for several reasons. Firstly, cloud systems offer a centralized data repository by integrating data seamlessly across various departments and functions. Secondly, manufacturers are motivated to adopt cloud solutions to modernize outdated systems. This technology allows them to update without significant downtime or heavy investment. Lastly, cloud providers supply infrastructure that helps manufacturers meet various regulatory compliance standards which are essential for global operations. How about your company? Have you moved to the cloud already or not yet? Share your experiences in the comments below. To sum this video up, it's best if you understand why cloud computing is a catalyst for transformation in the manufacturing industry. It is because of increased efficiency and productivity, cost reduction, improved product quality, faster time to market, enhanced agility and flexibility, and better data-driven decision-making. Understanding these benefits and promoting the implementation of dedicated cloud solutions can significantly help your manufacturing clients remain competitive in a rapidly changing industry. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and check our videos to get more insights on software development.